Are you struggling with career gap and worried about that your resume may overlooked by recruiters? But what if I tell you that you can showcase your career gap in a way that boosts your chances of getting shortlisted for interview calls and in fact getting hired? But before giving you more details about that, I want you to become an HR recruiter for next 30 seconds and review these two resumes from selection point of view. And remember, being an HR recruiter, it's your key responsibility to pick the best candidate for the interview. So here are two resumes received for the same position. So in both candidates' resume, you can see that both have mentioned a great career summary, have good achievement records, have skills and keywords that are aligned with the job role, have education, what is expected as per the job role. Even both the resumes are nicely crafted and matching with the ATS parameters as well. But wait, what is this? After August 2023, he's not working. So as an HR and keeping your responsibilities on top, what will come in your mind? That he's not up to date with his work. He might forget some technical skills and he's not equipped with the latest AI tools and industry standards. So but obvious, this resume will be rejected and the other one will be chosen for interview calls. This is how a career gap resume gets rejected, and candidates who are still working in the industries are preferred for selection because they are working and they are updated with the latest know-how of the industry. But we can turn this sort of rejection into selection if we show ourselves still working. But how? For that, I'm going to share with you 6 powerful options that you can add in your resume during a career gap, which are ATS-friendly, keyword optimized, and don't require you to show any proof of income as well. Instead of talking about career gap, stating that you were engaged in freelance work will demonstrate that you remained active and continue to develop the relevant skills. I will be sharing now 6 types of freelance work you can mention based on your career and skills in your resume, but make sure that you have great knowledge of your work still by learning it through YouTube, blogs, references sites to speak confidently about your subject knowledge during the time of interview. First is content writing or blogging. If you are skilled in writing, you can mention freelancing as a content writer or blogger. This shows that you are improving your communication and research skills, which are valuable in various roles, and content writers are almost in every field, whether it's tech, HR, marketing, finance, etc. Mention in your resume like content writer finance. And if the question comes by the HR that is this a career gap, so response like this. Actually, it's not a career gap. I'm a freelance content writer creating blogs and articles for different clients received from references, Fiverr, freelancer sites. This helped me enhance my writing and research abilities. Second, consulting or advisory work. If you have expertise in specific field, you can mention freelance consulting or advisory services. This demonstrates that you used your knowledge to help businesses grow even during the career gap. Mention in your resume like HR advisor. And as a professional answer during the question, you can say something like, I provided freelance HR consulting services to small businesses, helping them streamline their recruitment process and employee engagement system. Number 3 is freelance graphic designer or video editor. If you have a creative skills like graphic design, video editing or animation, freelancing in these areas is a great way to show that you stayed productive. Mention in your resume like freelance graphic designer or freelance video editor. And in response to career gap question, answer like this. I took on freelance graphic design projects, creating branding materials and social media posts for various clients, which allowed me to enhance my creative and technical skills. Before telling you 4th point to cover up your career gap, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe Bhavya Insights. Number 4th is online tutor or freelance teacher. If you have expertise in any subject, teaching online can show that you were engaged in knowledge sharing and continuously improving your teaching and communication skills. And as an answer to the question of career gap, you can say something like this. I worked as a freelance tutor or teaching online. This experience helped me improve my ability to explain complex concepts and mentor students. 5th in the list is freelance web development or programming. If you're into IT sector or tech related field, freelance web development or programming work is strong indicator of staying updated with the industry trends. And if this question is asked that is this a career gap, this is what you can say in reply. During my career gap, I took on freelance web development projects, building website and apps for small businesses, which helped me stay current with the latest technologies. And finally, sixth and last point, digital marketing or social media management. If you are skilled in marketing, freelance digital marketing or social media management, it can be highlighted as an experience during the career gap, showing that you remained engaged with market trends and strategies. As a reply to career gap question, you can say something like this. I manage social media accounts for small businesses as a freelance digital marketer, which helped me enhance my strategy, analytics and communication skills. These type of freelance works demonstrates that you maintained and even enhanced your skills during the career gap, making you more attractive candidate. I know how challenging a career gap can be. If you're still confused that what to add to cover up this career gap, mention your previous designation and skills in the comment section, and I will share with you the best freelance cover up criteria that will help you to get an interview invite for your desired field. Be confident, be positive and look ahead in the future. Past can't be changed, but we can shape our future if we work really great at present. If you like the content, then don't forget to share this video with all your friends and like this video as well. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this, because it will motivate me that you're actually liking my content, so I can come up with more resolution for the burning problems which candidates face to land their dream job. All the best for your future interviews.